Let me show you how to trade crypto inside of Robinhood. If you have been trading stocks or ETFs, you would also easily find the section of trading crypto inside of the Robinhood platform. Now, unlike stock and ETF inside of Robinhood, crypto has a separate section which you could find on the bottom of the screen, which you can see labeled C right here. So if you tap on this section, you can see a list of cryptocurrencies that you can trade from. So through this section, as you normally pick stocks, just pick the asset or the cryptocurrency that you're trying to purchase. Now, once you select a cryptocurrency that you're trying to purchase, on the bottom you'll be able to see the option called buy. Just tap on the buy button. And as you normally see while purchasing stocks, you can see this exact screen where you can type in the dollar amounts. If you want, you can also change in the type of order that you're trying to make. By default, it would be market order. If you tap on this market order option on the top right, you can select from different types of orders that Robinhood provides, either it be limit orders or stop orders. So select the type of order that you like to place in for Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Once you fill in the dollar amount, it's going to show you the number of Bitcoin that you're going to get. So the exact unit value that you're going to get from the amount of dollars that you added in. And you just need to hit that buy and your order will be executed and placed into the market. If you add in a market order, your order will be instantly placed. But if you choose to add in a buy stop or a limit order, you'll need to wait out until the price triggers on the exact prices that you placed. So that's all it takes to trade crypto on Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.